MSI Sword 16HX B14V, Core i7 14th Gen. The Sword series received a legendary redesign with a brand new Cosmos Grey body, while keeping the same sleek profile and strong cooling. Coupled with Intel Core i7 processor 14th Gen and GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, the Enchanted Knight now wields an even stronger weapon. Gear up and outperform your opponent with this magic artifact. Intel Core i7 processor 14700HX. Peak performance for gamers. Whether you're in the midst of epic battles in your favorite titles, exploring vast virtual realms, or streaming your gameplay to a worldwide audience, the powerful Intel Core i7 processor 14700HX is the ultimate gaming companion, ensuring that you can enjoy seamless, lag-free gaming, and unlock the full potential of your gaming rig. AC adapter 200 watt. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU 6GB. GeForce RTX 40 series laptops beyond fast. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. Built with the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture, they bring a quantum leap in performance with AI-powered DLSS 3 and enable lifelike virtual worlds with full ray tracing. Plus, the Max-Q suite of technologies optimizes system performance, power, battery life, and acoustics for peak efficiency. With a 144Hz IPS level display covering 100% DCI-P3 color space, feast your eyes on crisp, vivid content in the smoothest quality. The 16:10 golden ratio display expands the view even further, bringing top-tier visual experience. HD type, 30 FPS at 720p. 3D noise reduction, 3D NR. Light up with gaming style. Experience the evolution of gaming laptops with the Sword series upgraded 24-zone RGB keyboard. The translucent WASD keys are immersed in vibrant hues that elevate gameplay. Illuminate your world with style and innovation. Memory 16GB DDR5 5600. Max 96GB. 2 slots. Push the limits of your system like never before with DDR5 memory. Leads to accelerated performance across every aspect of the laptop. The new Sword series comes with 2 slots of SSD supporting 1x PCIe Gen 5 and 1x PCIe Gen 4, unlocking even faster RW speed and lower latency for your game and everyday tasks. Battery 4-cell 65 battery, WHR. Audio 2x2W speaker. Experience and listen to audio the way it was intended and share it with Nahimic in-game 3D surround and sound sharing via Bluetooth. The latest Wi-Fi 6E delivers stunning speed while keeps the network smooth and stable even when sharing the network with numerous users. The new cooling vent with 6 exhaust allows multi-directional outlet of airflows for more efficient cooling, along with shared pipe design with 5 heat pipes between CPU and GPU, a larger thermal pipe's internal diameter and MSI exclusive thermal grease to ensure maximum performance under extreme gaming. Sword 16HX B14V positive, powerful processor, great GPU, high performance, backlit keys, rich set of ports, good speakers, affordable price.